from South Dakota.
I had a harebrained idea.
Okay guys, so we made it here to Palisades State Park right outside of Sioux Falls, South Dakota, right on the Minnesota border, or right on the border of Minnesota state line. So we're pretty excited, other than it's raining a little bit. I'm not sure if you can tell, a little bit of sprinkling. Too bad, maybe it'll clear up, maybe it won't, might get worse, who knows, 70% chance. So either way, we're gonna drive around, see what we can see. We've got our South Dakota State Park pass, free for us to get in because we've already paid. Let's go see what we can see here at Palisades State Park, South Dakota. When you forget your rain jacket, you're still gonna hike anyways. All right, you guys ready to do some hiking?
No.
Okay, you ready to do some hiking, no Joe? Totally forgot our rain jackets at the camper. So we are on, what is it called? What's the name of the trail? Balancing Rock Trail. Very pretty down in here. Kind of reminds me of home, back home, old home place. Balance Rock.
Down along the tracks. She lost her home and her family, and she won't be coming back without love. Well, would you be right now?
You having trouble there, bud?
Wow!
Not quite keeping you dry anymore?
Tell Daddy to get you.
Wow!
Here.
What? Oh no, I'm calling the ranger.
Junior Ranger fail.
I'm calling the ranger.
Without love.
Split Rock Creek, Palisades State Park, the smallest state park in South Dakota. 110 acres.
Baby, 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 won't you move it down?
This is the 1908 Palisades Bridge. Beautiful little historical marker here.
Going up to the spirit in the sky.
Cool little picnic area over here. Smallest state park in South Dakota, but it has a lot to offer.
It's muddy. Get it? Muddy detector.
Never been a sinner, I never sinned. I got a friend in Jesus. So you know that when I die, it's gonna set me up with the spirit in the sky. Whoa, set me up with the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. When I die and you lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. Go to the place that's the best.
Well. The bridge of 1880 was a super double mega hit. What did you guys say? Is that cool or what? Awesome. Heard that from the man himself. So now, I think we're done with Palisades, are we, Ma? We are done with the Palisades. There's another trail here, Split Rock Creek Trail, and it goes down to the creek, and it goes along, meanders along the creek there. I do not think we're gonna do that. I'm not sure. We'll have to talk to the warden about that.
I had a harebrained idea. There's another one of them. I had a harebrained idea.
Let's peel back these layers.
It was harebrained and stupid.
Okay, there's the first layer, second layer.
I had a harebrained idea. There's another one of them.
This is going good. This is working really well. Relax.
Can't. I had a harebrained idea.